Hello, this is Neda with Your Dream Real Estate, and I am in front of one of our listings. I'm going to show you inside and give you more details about this property. It's vacant and it's available for the next tenant. Some benefits. First, tenant portal. You are going to have your own portal that lets you to pay the rent online with your checking account, credit card, or even cash. You can take the cash to 7-Eleven. You can check the history of payments. You have access to all lease documents in case you need them. They're right there, handy and easy to access. You can submit a maintenance request through the portal, so it's fast and easy. You do not need to wait. You can do it anytime, 24/7. The other good benefit is by paying the rent on time, you will build your credit because the system reports on-time payment, and this is really beneficial if you are working to improve your credit. If you are interested and if you are looking for more details, check our website. You can see qualification criteria, pet policy, list of all our available units, and also you can submit your application there. It's going to be done online and we take care of it as fast as we can. Looking forward to seeing you as our new tenant.